Hello my 3D printer peeps, hello members and Patreons. I'm here with the Bambu Lab P2S and we are going to replace the filament cutting blade. You may use the tools that came with your P2S. However, I'm going to use this cheap screwdriver set. I'll leave the link in my description. Let's pop into it. The first thing you'll want to do is lower the bed to give yourself enough room to comfortably work. You may be tempted to remove the build plate. However, I would rather you damage the build plate than the magnetic plate underneath. I am going to put a Scott's Blue shop towel on my build plate while I do my work and bring it all the way down. Step 1. Turn off the P2S. Remove the tool head cover by pinching and pulling forward. Turn it this way. I would suggest depressing this tab and removing the tool head cover. With the tool head cover off, we will back out this screw. Take note that I said back out, not remove. This screw is butting up against the housing of the tool head, stopping the arm from being removed. You will see, now that I've backed it out, I can open this lever. However, you'll notice some flexing. That means I need to back it out a little further. Once it's enough, the entire arm will swing freely. With the arm free, you will grab this cutter, bring it forward and out. For such a small and inexpensive part, examining this part is not worth your trouble. Replace it with a new one. Support the arm, place the blade in, and click it backwards. The blade can be installed either way. Fold the blade over, bring the arm up, and guide it into the slot visible right here. While holding the blade in place, gently tighten this screw until it stops. Release the handle and you'll see it's butting up against the housing and allowing only the proper range of motion. Reconnect the tool head fan, tuck it behind, attach your tool head cover. You are done. And just like that, you have successfully replaced your P2S cutter blade. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.